Hi guys, this is Nikki, and this is my daughter Avli. We're here with Homegrown School. If we look a little funny, it's because we just got home from a theater production. Today we are doing another unboxing video. If you like this video or other videos that I do, please remember to like and subscribe on the button. Today we are unboxing our KidPik box.
Yay.
If you see right here, there's a little sticker. It's kind of muffled, but it always says make an unboxing video, and we've talked about doing this for a while, but we normally cannot wait to open it. We love this box.
Yeah.
So this box can range from anywhere between $60 to $100 and I think they say $150. It just depends. Anyway, so this is super cool. I love KidPik. I like their customer service. I'm super excited to see what's in the box. This box is actually a replacement. We got a season box that we weren't super in love with. There was nothing, they didn't fit right, and it just wasn't her style. So then we got an email. I got an email from KidPik's. I got an email from the KidPik's customer service asking if it would send them an email back, like maybe customizing her preferences a little bit more, and then they would try it again. And so they sent us this new box in about 2 weeks time, which is super cool, and we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what's inside. But normally we keep the whole box, so it was kind of surprising. But okay, so
it says KidPik and it says Emily. It says this box was styled especially for Avli. We hope you'll love everything. Okay,
woohoo, are you ready?
It says KidPik.
Okay, go ahead. This is your box, so go for it. Ooh, exciting. What's in it? Oh, it's like Christmas. You get to open a present.
Yeah.
Oh, rip it. Okay.
Oh, look. Oh.
Oh.
My favorite color, blue, and then it has my favorite color, white. It has red, and I like red. I'm in love with red. Oh!
So those are cool. These
oh,
are kind of fun.
Look. No, this one's for July.
So they always send like an accessory or something in there, and so these are kind of fun. Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Let's go open it. I can't wait anymore.
Oh, and this is my favorite part. I love
So they
these.
send you anything that comes in this bag is free, and you get to keep it no matter what. If you send everything back, you get to keep it. So that's kind of fun. She's got like a fidget spinner. She's gotten bracelets and buttons and all sorts of things. What's?
It says KidPik.
It's a little KidPik bracelet. Okay, are we going?
Yep.
Are we going for it?
Oh, this is awesome.
Snap. Ooh,
How
that's
does it look?
pretty. That's pretty. I like it. What does it say? Love the world.
How's it look?
I like that. That's super cute. That's so you.
I hope there's another one that says
So
change the
she
world.
loves navy blue and
is there
blue
one
in
that's-
general. So that super matches her personality and
Is
stuff.
there
Okay, next.
I
Go.
wonder if there's one called Change the World. That's awesome.
What is? Ooh, what's that? It's kind of a fun color. It's like
pink.
a corally red. It's not pink. So she doesn't like pink.
No.
But that's not pink. That's like a corally red orange color.
It's okay.
Ooh, look, it's a matching. They sent you a matching outfit.
Oh, this one.
Damn.
That's awesome. I like
That's
that.
kind of cute. Cool. Okay, what do we got? What do we got now?
Ooh.
Shorts, or is it a skirt?
Sure.
It's a skirt. It is. Look, there's nothing in there. Look.
Oh.
See? Peekaboo. Is that cute? Yeah, that actually probably goes with that shirt.
Oh.
Yeah, that's cute. It's like a high-waisted one, though. Fun. Oh, and a dress.
Ooh, I like
That's the last thing. This is fun.
That is good. I love that.
That's super cute.
I have to wear this tomorrow.
Okay, so those are our items.
Yay.
In a second, I will have her go change into her favorite outfit so she can model for you. We always try everything on. So this
How
is
much
the
is
little.
this?
I'm gonna look. Well, that's free. Remember, that's your free gift. So I'm gonna open it. So they send you this little thing, and it tells you how much everything is. This T-shirt right here, the Moon World, the World one, is $12.50 if I only keep that, or if I don't take one of the items. If I keep the whole box, it comes out to $8.75.
That's
so
not so bad.
if I keep the whole box, it's only $8.75.
Okay.
And then that little
I'm not
coral
keeping the whole
shirt
box.
is $16.50 if I only
No,
keep
I'm not,
that.
no.
Stop. And if we keep the whole box, it's $11.55. So it gives you a nice discount if you keep it all, which encourages you to keep it all. I actually like everything in this box. I'm not super tempted to send anything
We're not.
back. The skirt is $22.50 if I only keep that, $15.75 if I keep the whole box, $17.50 if I only keep the pink skirt, or $12.25 if I keep the whole box.
What about the bracelets?
Then the cool dress is $22.50 if I only keep that, but then it's $15.75 if I keep the whole box. And then the bracelets are $3.50, and then if I only keep, or that's all if I only keep the bracelet, but if I keep everything, it's $2.45. So the grand total, if I keep the whole box, and this is actually one of the cheaper ones that we've gotten, $66.50. So if they were to charge me full price for everything, it would be $95. So they do give you a 30% discount, it says right there. So $60.50, or how much did I say? $66.50 is a pretty good deal for those outfits and stuff. And their clothes are super high quality. We've never had issue with them falling apart. They don't fade. I really, really like the KidPik box. But if you do not like your stuff, they send you this prepaid postage bag. And you just neatly stick everything back in the bag, sealed up, and you take it to your USPS store, like the post office or whatever. And like, so sometimes if I'm feeling lazy, I'll just stick it in my mailbox with the flag up, because they'll come and grab it just like that. And it's easy peasy, 1, 2, 3 easy. You go in, you check out what you want, and you tell them why you didn't want it or why you did want it, and you go from there. So super cool. So we tried on all 3 outfits, or we didn't. She tried on all 3 outfits. There's some pictures of all 3. And so as they're rolling, her favorite one was the red, white, and blue dress that you can see here. And then our next favorite one was the blue outfit with the skirt. Now the skirt's waist was a little bit too big for her waist, and so what I'll end up doing is I'll put it in the prepaid bag that I told you about, and go online and let them know that I want to keep it, so I still get the discounted rate, but I just need a new size, and they'll send it to me free shipping and everything. They won't charge me for that at all, and I'll get that discounted price. And then she did actually end up liking the coral outfit she's wearing right now. She thinks it's comfortable and fun and stuff. So, because originally you were like, no, I'm not going to keep it. But now what do you think?
It's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, you kind of liked it. And then, of course, we'll keep the bracelets and stuff too. So, what do you think? A+ on this box? Yeah, it was good. This definitely fit her personality great. So, like I said, great customer service. We've been using KidPik box for almost 2 years now, and it's super great because it sends you clothes and refreshes the wardrobe and stuff for the more fancier stuff for a pretty affordable price with high quality, great clothes. And I find myself not having to shop a whole lot for stuff for her. So, anyway, totally recommend. Do you recommend?
Yeah.
Yeah, we recommend.
I'll give 2 likes.
Okay, so again, if you like our video, please subscribe and like the video below. And if you want to order, click on KidPiks. It's pretty cool. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.